Daniel Stern, and welcome to my course, Force Layout Graphs with D3. I'm a freelance developer focused on open source libraries. D3.js is the most popular data library in JavaScript, with roughly 100,000 stars on GitHub. This course is both a quick introduction to D3 and a deep dive into how to use just one of D3's countless features, namely making force layout graphs. Some of the major topics we will cover in this course include setting up a D3 application with Node, displaying complex data as a force layout graph with D3, styling each component of a force layout graph to encode some kind of important information, and working with the variables gravity, charge, distance, and more to customize how our graph looks. By the end of this course, you'll know the basics of data visualization in D3 and be able to use force layout graphs to discover important insights about data. From here, continue your learning by diving into more advanced D3 courses on graphing data with bars, lines, and more, or creating map-based graphs using D3 and GeoJSON. It's going to be a great course. I hope you join us.